Hello. I apologize that there's no live stream today. It's because I've been kind of busy working on lots of projects, like the muffler fell off my car and the Kickstarter to build my second giant robot, and designing the this right here. I call it the Junk Nominal Kinetic Integration Power Legs, also known as the JNKI Power Legs. You can see it's using PVC joints, which I've modeled, except for the T-junctions because I was too lazy. And I'm going to be using those same linear actuators you saw on that prototype ankle system I had in one of my earlier videos. Now, with just the current 12-volt system, the actuators will be moving rather slow, and that's okay because that's just going to be for the test and proof of concept. I plan to nick a battery out of my car and amp it up to about 24 volts. And that might end up causing some overheating issues, but I plan to wrap it in like some fiberglass muffler wrap, which is supposed to help like whisk the heat away. Hopefully it won't get to the point where I have to put a heat sink on it and do some active cooling, like putting computer fans on there or a water cooling system or buying a bunch of Peltiers to stick on there and power off the car battery. But you can see that there's actually these bigger linear actuators on the back right here. These are going to be nicked or borrowed from Marduk, from her steering actuators. So it can provide a lot of bending in the knee department. Now, most of these linear actuators should be on their way. I did check Amazon, and hopefully they should all be here by next weekend. But, who can tell with the coronavirus affecting Amazon's shipping rates and stuff. It should only cost a few bucks to get maybe a bit more PVC stock to build this. I mean, I've already got a couple big buckets of joints, so the biggest problem is going to be assembling it, making sure it all fits, then taking it apart and PVC cementing it, and for that, you having to use a respirator and all that fun stuff. So that is going to be a bit of a fun project for next week. This weekend actually, I plan to do some filming for my Kickstarter. Finishing up that fist that I haven't riveted yet, and putting it on Marduk, having her punch a few things, and maybe releasing the raw footage on the YouTube channel and seeing where it goes from there. And you can probably maybe hear some background noise. That's my 3D printer whirring away, taking care of some sensor mounting point widgets I'm making for the power legs. And I haven't modeled the switch mounting points or the foot carriage on the bottom, just because I'm too lazy to model it, because heck, I already built it, so why is there need to model it? And I've already got sketches of it kicking around somewhere. And the actual switches I have on a bit of scratch paper I quickly scribbled out last night before I went to sleep, so I'll probably put them into this file eventually, and heck, even probably set this up for distributing, and put it up on Creative Commons attribution or something like that, so if you want to, you can build your own set of power legs too. Open source power armor. So, I guess that's all for today. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and hey, share it with someone who likes giant robot stuff. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.